Hello, I'm M.K.Davis. I recently featured a video with an alleged white Bigfoot crossing close in front of the camera, and a lot of people had problems with it. They couldn't get a good perspective on the height of the camera, how far it is. Well, that wasn't nearly all the video, so I decided to include some more video so that kind of thing could be worked out, at least in your own mind. Initially, what caused this white Bigfoot to run in front of the camera was a disturbance, that there was a dog that came. So let's watch that part. You know, it sure looked like they knew each other, didn't it? You know, this occurred as a 4-year project. It occurred on a working farm. So there were dogs, there were ducks and geese and cows and the type thing. The owner of the farm worked full-time at a factory, and then he came home and worked on his farm, his subsistence farm. So, you know, this was taken somewhere, you know, back on his place, and they obviously had seen each other more than once. But it's not the case with all the dogs and all the animals on this place. Occasionally some strays come by. Let's see how they react. You know, the two instances, the two dogs, or the dog and the set of dogs, reacted quite differently from each other, didn't they? I think those second pair of dogs realized that they had something, you know, to fear, and they got out of Dodge. You know, of all the things that I've learned about, you know, possible things that are characteristic of Bigfoot or Sasquatch, is they don't tolerate dogs very well, and they will kill them. So these two guys realized that and got out of Dodge. The one at first, he belonged to the owner of the farm, so they obviously knew each other, had familiarity, and there was an element of trust there. Although the dog's still in danger, if indeed this is a Bigfoot or a Sasquatch. You be the judge. Anyway, thank you for your time.